Good day, everyone. Learn how to remove or add background color on Google Docs. So this is the Google Docs, and if I want to add any background color to my existing or new one, I can do that very easily. So let's say this is my document and I want to change the background color of this. I'll simply go to File and then I'll go to File Page Setup. And here we have this page color, and we can change the color like this. So you can see the color has been changed. And if I have to change the color again or remove the color, the background color, I'll go to File again, Page Setup, and under Page Color, I can simply change the color like this. And if you do not need anything, go to File again, Page Setup, and page color should be white. So this is how you can add or remove background color on Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.